Right! What the fuck is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a fucking another trade recap on this fucking beautiful Friday outside. But guess what? I got fucking hoed over and fuck price action this week because it was fucking dog shit and it pissed me the fuck off. We ended up break even on today, and I'm down a little bit on the week, which sucks. But anyway, let's just get right into this. As per usual, we had, just look at this horrendous range that we were in. We had this, if we zoom out onto the 5-minute and the 15-minute, you can see obviously we were stuck in this range once again. And what do you fucking know? Whoop-de-doo, it's 12:30 right now. It's almost 1 p.m. and we are still in this zone, bro. That is dead-ass ridiculous. But anyway, 5-minute, you can see top of this range here, here, bottom of the range, here, and now here, we're still respecting that low. So I wouldn't anticipate shorts, and so we held low down here to fill this imbalance down here. Ideally, longs above this high right here to fill imbalance on the higher time frame, such as the hourly, to fill this imbalance over here would be ideal to see an expansionary move, I think, but I don't think that's going to happen necessarily today. Anyway, yeah, guys, just, oh my God, man. Look, it's just very similar thing to yesterday, right? This was yesterday. You can see just boom on the 5-minute. This is where we traded. Absolutely terrible. And then right here, going into market open. Market opened up right here. You can see just this range. Not as tight of a range, but still a range, about a 70-point range, and it's just terrible. What did market do when we opened? We came all the way up to the top of it, rejected down. We tapped into it, rejected out, tested it again. Now we came back up, down, up, down. I wouldn't be surprised if this holds low, this low holds and we come all the way back up to here again. Now, there was some news right here that did come out bullish, and as you can see right here, I actually entered longs. Not because of news, but because I was anticipating the breakout of this zone. I was favoring the upside. At that point in time, 5-minute Hikinashi was also green, and it had been prior as well. Also, if we zoom out onto the higher time frames, we can see that we are in an uptrend and a little bit of consolidation, which is this zone. But right here, we are clearly bullish. So I did have a long bias, even on the 15-minute, just right here, that prior move up. I was expecting us to keep making an expansionary move up. So I was anticipating the break of this zone, took a long setup there, came into profit by 28 points, ended up getting stopped out on it. One thing I do think I'm going to start doing is start running my 20-point, 20-point SLs again, which is what I used to do. I used to just run 20-point SL, 40-point TP set every time. And obviously that's going to give you a 2-to-1 RR, right? If I had done this on this trade, I still would have got stopped, but I would have only taken a 20-point L as opposed to a 33-point L, which is what I had right down here. I had my SL just below, this previous low right here. So instead of being break even on the day, right, because I pretty much got stopped out right here, well, I am up a super tiny amount because, like whatever, 4 or 5 points, because this TP right here was 40 points, and then I got stopped. So I'm technically up on the day like 5 points, right? But it's like nothing. It's literally like fucking $10 per account, maybe even a little more than that. Nothing significant is what I'm trying to get at. So what I think I'm going to do is start running my 20-point SL again because, yeah, that would have put me up on the day about 20 points, which is good. Anyway, right here we took shorts. Why? We rejected back down, broke structure to the downside. Let's check out the 2-minute right here. We broke structure to the downside on this candle close right here, also respecting the top of that zone. Now, the reason I was more confident in this short than I was in this long was because you can see right here, we're in the middle of the zone. So I'm kind of playing in the middle of this, the middle of this range. If I was to enter longs right here, I would have hit TP on that, right? But no, my entry was up here. But if I was to get in this short down here, kind of relative to where I got into that long, say I was to get into those shorts like right here, probably would have got stopped out, right? So I was willing to, I already knew what I was getting myself into. I already knew I was playing within the range. Hold on, DC break. But we got in the shorts right there. Ended up just barely hitting TP right there. Even if I missed it, it would have hit right there anyway. So good trade right there, 40 points. Ended break even on the day. Price action was dog shit after that, so I just closed out the chart. But if I look back, I actually want to go on ahead to our trades yesterday. So I took this long setup. That's not a trade that I actually took. I don't think. No, I didn't. If I look at this, if I had a 20-point SL and a 40-point TP, I actually think I would have got stopped out. It looks like it. Yep. I actually would have got stopped out on this before hitting TP right there. So, I don't know. I'm definitely going to have to just do a lot of back testing this weekend. Trying to just refine my strat. This week I know was not really the best for a lot of people. I ended down a little bit, like I said, on the week, which is unfortunate, but, you know, shit happens. And I'm confident that once we get out of this rut, like December price action was mid. I personally think that price action this week and last week is the worst that I've ever fucking seen it. Maybe I'm dragging it. I don't really know if I'm due. I think it was just pretty bad, at least for the way that I trade, right? Because I execute my entries on the 1 minute time frame, and when I have a 40-point TP and it takes as long as it does to hit that, or even to stop me out, that's how you know price action is bad. Price can't make a 20-point or 40-point move in one direction in, you know, or however long it takes. It takes almost 30 minutes for that move to happen, right? So it just kind of goes to show low volume. This chop, it's just very hard to play in. You know, things are going to get better, hopefully. The one thing that is good about being able to trade in bad price action, if you can trade in bad price action, what does that mean? When good price when good price action comes around, you're going to be a fucking beast. So hopefully you are. But the time to try to get better is now, because like literally bouncing off what I just said, if you can get your strat down and you can, you know, be consistently winning trades in price action like this, when we have right here, if we just broke up of this zone, we just uptrended all day, which is hopefully what price action will be doing in the near future. Especially even on smaller time frames, even on the, you know, on the 5, that's how you know it's bad, when it's on the 5 minute, it looks like this. But once price action gets a little better, hopefully we will be able to cook a lot harder. But that's really going to be it. I think I want to drop a video this weekend. I literally said that last weekend and I didn't make a video, but really focused on making more trading content now. So that's one thing I definitely want to get more into. And, you know, get on here. I'm also uploading a new vlog today as well. But that's going to be it for the trade recap, guys. Ended the week down a little bit. Hopefully you guys did better than me, ended the week up. Or even break even. Because at the end of the day, if you ended the week break even, then, you know, that's really better than red. But that's really it for the trade recap. Nothing crazy. I am going to do a lot of back testing this weekend. Maybe I'll do one of the videos like what Steph does, where he back tests his actual strat on FX Replay and he posts that. I don't know if you guys have seen Steph do that, but he does some videos like that. Maybe I'll do one of those, but definitely got some work to get done this weekend in regards to trying to tune my strategy, if you will. But with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. Love you guys so much. Make sure to sub up. Already almost at 100 subs on this account, which is sick. I love you guys so much. And stay tuned for probably a video this weekend. Yeah, see you later.